Hi, my name is Umair. I'm giving the presentation of the assignment 1, nmon162646 system management. The assignment is all about exploring the tools of the Linux system software. The tools we are choosing is Iotop, which is more likely a disk operating system within Linux, and the other one is the nmon, which provides the features of the administrative rights under the Linux functionality. So these are the two software which I'm using under the Linux platform, and in the later video I will show how I'm gonna explore those tools under the Linux platform using VirtualBox, and I'm using the NCH video capturing tool to make this video.
So I'm using NCH software for a screen capturing tool, and I'm using VirtualBox Kali 14.4 version to for my presentation, and I'm using two commands, which is Iotop and nmon. The first, I'm using the Iotop, how it works. So at first we check the command would be updated or not. If it is updated, we proceed further. But first step is to check is it updated or not. So the tool is already updated, and it says the newest version, which is recently updated. So now we have to move further to explore about how it works. So now we go to sudo iotop. So this is give us how it works. This gives us the brief information about the input output operating system. It's basically is an open source and free utility similar to a top command tool. This is used for Linux disk input output storage management system. This is done by Python programming. As you can see all the disk storage, actual disk read, and all how much space you have got in your root file. So this is how it works, and it contains all the variables in which you can see on the right hand side of your screen. So now we going back, and we can try a different command, which is now this command will give us only the disk read space and the actual disk space, which is used which is only to have the idea about the if the disk is what have the disk have the storage, or it is empty, or how much the space we have left in our system. So it gives us your real-time information about your disk space. So now we are going back, and now we try to use the other command, which is this is the help, which I can see all the different commands in under this particular tool. So H is for help, O for only, and B for batch, and for num. This is the various description of the commands. We have it here. Now I'm moving towards my different command, another tool, which is sudo nmon. At first we check the tool as it updated. So at first we try to check the tool as it updated or is not. So it is saying that the package has been already updated, and it is the newest version of nmon command. So now we use sudo nmon. Let's see how it works. So here is the nmon. It will show you the CPU and the memory, the disk, and the different kernel, NFS, and the network. There are different options, and you can share. So now we are moving towards memory. So it shows how much memory we have. We have 9995 memory of our RAM, and how much we have free. So this gives us about idea about the memory. And J is a file system, which shows how much space we have, what directory we are currently using. H is for help, is for the different command we have, like you can see H is for this help, C for CPU, and memory if a person can want to see which option is for whom. So this is the description of the option, so we can see the different menu in this one. So that's all from my side. Actually these two tools help you to monitor the one Iotop is monitoring the disk space in a Linux platform, while sudo nmon is the giving you the brief idea about how the CPU and the memory of the system works. And that's about it.
So here is the comparison of the two tools which I have used. The first tool was Iotop and the other one is the nmon. So Iotop is basically using to manage the disk space of the Linux operating system, while the nmon is using to access the administrative rights of the Linux system, which provides all the information. Now, first we go to check how Iotop is. Now, as you can see, the Iotop is already discussing about the disk management system, how Linux have different tools and different space compared to the operating system. This one gives you the idea about how much disk space we have. So this is basically the disk operating system, Iotop. Coming back toward the nmon. Nmon is basically the administrative right of the Linux, which gives you the idea about how the Linux from various functions, which include network and process and other different functionalities you can see here. So these two tools are discussing the softwares about Iotop is more about disk management, and nmon is more likely about the administrative rights of the Linux system. So that's all about it. 30 seconds. So right now, as we have seen that we have discussed deeply about those two tools, which is Iotop and nmon. These two tools are basically used under the Linux platform. One is for the disk management system, and other is for the administrative rights under the Linux platform. So these two tools are entirely different tools to manage the software under the Linux, and we can see how this operating system under Linux works, how this allocation under the different roots, how it works under Iotop, which is input output devices, while the other one is nmon, which gives you the privilege to have access to the administrative rights, which is more likely the information of the performance of the system. So that's all about it. Thank you from my side.